Hey y'all, welcome back to day 56 of my 100-day challenge. And today we're busting down some of the biggest real estate myths that I hear all the time, especially from my first time buyers and sellers. So let's set the record straight so you can move confidently in today's market. So, myth number one, you need 20% down to buy a home. False. You can buy with as little as 3% down and sometimes even zero down, depending on the loan
Wow.
program and your qualifications. I've helped clients buy with $0 out of pocket, so don't count yourself out.
Oh, wow.
So, myth number two, the best time to buy or sell is spring or summer. Not always. While spring and summer are definitely our busy seasons, I've had clients that got better deals, great deals in the fall or winter. The best time to buy or sell is when you're ready and prepared. And remember, we talked about that before, right? Right. So, myth number three, you don't need an agent. You can just use Zillow. Listen, I love online tools too, right? But they don't replace professional expertise. Zillow doesn't negotiate for you, advocate for you, or guide you through the contract. A great agent can save you time, stress, and often money. Now, I'm passionate about educating my clients. I've been in the game long enough to know that what you think you know can cost you thousands. And that's why I lead with excellence, rooted in integrity, and deliver with urgency. Now, if you've been holding back because of something you heard from your cousin or something on TikTok, I get it. But DM me or click the link in my bio. Let's talk through your specific situation and bust the myth together. It's your favorite realtor, Shanda McRae. Smile and be a blessing today. See y'all for day 57.